Hi friends, my name is Nora and now I want to tell you about my favorite ice cream. My favorite ice cream is sour jelly. Sour jelly is a frozen yogurt that looks like ice cream. My favorite menu is black sakura with 2 toppings and 1 sauce, and the topping is strawberry and granola and the sauce is cookie dough. The prices start from 50,000 rupiah. It's very much on par with the quality, and 1 cup sorcelli is enough to me. Can you see this video? I ate this yogurt ice cream until there was nothing left. Alright, that's all to me. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!
Hi guys, I'm Zafira and today I want to review a restaurant that I usually come for lunch. Are you curious? Let's go! It is located in Karawang Central Plaza, first floor. The name is Hokben. The place has simple design interior, but it is quite spacious so it can be occupied by many customers. The restaurant serves Japanese food such as bento, tempura, ramen, sukiyaki, soup, and many others. The food is quickly served. The service is really prompt and friendly. They will ask what you want and then they will serve your order quickly. The menu that I order is bento package C. In package C, we can get rice, beef teriyaki, 2 pieces shrimp balls, 1 pieces tori ball, and salad. I also order Milo and es sarang burung. In es sarang burung, there are mixed by lychee and jelly. The prices are reasonable for me because it's worth for the food that tastes so yummy, yummy, yummy. This is what I ordered before, guys. Looks so yummy, right?
Hello friends, I'm Eva and today I want to talk about my favorite restaurant. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.
Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Gian Kausal, call me by Gian. So, today I'm going to show you about a viral eatery in Bandung. This place is located in front of Eiger and Bakso Iga C20. This is Nasi Kandar Damai. This place serves Malaysian cuisine. So let's take a look what this place has to offer. Wow, so many choices! I went with 1 spice beef, some spice mussels, and beef intensors. The service is very fast. They just pick what it is in front of them. So, you get charged per side dish. It is around 20,000 rupiah per side dish. Look at this. This is my plate. I can't wait to dig it right away. The taste is very good. Just look at my reaction.
Hello, I'm Anissa and today I will show you my favorite eateries, which is Lazato. Lazato is a fast food eatery that specializes in their fried chicken. This eatery can be found anywhere. Today, I went to one of their branches located in Sirnabaya. There are several choices of sauce that you can choose, like sadas, geprek, and CLBK. I ordered geprek chicken, which is one of their best-selling menu. The sambal geprek they make is very tasty and fits on my preference, spicy but still enjoyable. The savory taste of the sambal is also perfect, not too salty and not too bland. Considering the taste of their chicken and sauces, the price is still reasonable. It starts from 7,000. Besides fried chicken, they also offer burgers, spaghetti, and other menu items. In brief, this eatery is ideal for those seeking decent fast food with a good price. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.